This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Valerie Williams. Welcome to this beautiful home with tons of upgrades. Beautiful LVP flooring, rounded corners, crown molding, wainscoting, 9-feet ceilings, recess lighting, Rinnai tankless water heater, new carpet, new light fixtures, freshly painted, and more. The kitchen is bright and spacious with granite countertops, custom backsplash, center island, pantry, ready for your culinary skills. Enjoy movie night in the converted garage with 120 feet projector screen or could easily be converted back. The primary bedroom is an amazing spacious oasis. For more information, review the details below.